Welcome to BrewFix, where coffee meets craftsmanship. Most baristas adjust grind size all day long, chasing shot time, yield, and flavor. But after years of repairing and calibrating grinders, I've noticed something interesting. There's one grinder setting that almost nobody touches, even though it has a massive impact on espresso quality. Today, I'll explain what that setting is, why it's usually ignored, and why learning to use it properly can instantly improve consistency, clarity, and control in your espresso. Why baristas default to grind size only? Grind size feels intuitive. Turn finer, shot slows down. Turn coarser, shot speeds up. It's fast feedback, so it becomes the primary and often the only adjustment baristas rely on. The problem is that grind size changes resistance, not behavior. When grind size becomes the only tool, people unknowingly compensate for deeper issues instead of controlling extraction intentionally. This is why espresso often feels unstable even when shot times look correct. The setting baristas rarely touch: grind distribution/burr gap consistency. The rarely touched setting isn't always a visible dial. It's how evenly the grinder produces particles across the burr gap. Burr alignment, carrier stability, and grind distribution consistency determine whether water flows evenly through the puck or finds weak points immediately. Baristas rarely adjust or check this because it isn't obvious, quick, or taught during basic training. Yet it shapes every shot before grind size even matters. Why ignoring this setting creates inconsistent espresso? When grind distribution is uneven, espresso becomes unpredictable. One shot gushes, the next chokes, even though nothing appears to change. Excess fines cause bitterness, while boulders cause sourness, both in the same cup. Baristas respond by adjusting grind size repeatedly, which temporarily masks the issue but never stabilizes it. From a technician's perspective, this is a classic symptom of a grinder that isn't mechanically optimized. What happens when this setting is addressed? When burrs are aligned properly and grind distribution is consistent, espresso suddenly becomes calm. Shot times stabilize. Flavor becomes layered instead of sharp or muddy. Adjustments start behaving predictably instead of dramatically. This is the moment many baristas describe as everything finally clicking, even though nothing about the recipe changed. The grinder simply stopped fighting the extraction. How this changes how you think about espresso. Once you understand this setting, you stop blaming beans, machines, or baristas. Espresso becomes a system again, grinder behavior, flow, and pressure working together. Instead of constantly correcting problems downstream, you fix the source. This is the difference between reactive espresso and intentional espresso. The grinder setting baristas rarely touch isn't hidden, it's just misunderstood. Once you address it, espresso becomes more consistent, expressive, and easier to control. At BrewFix, I document real grinder diagnostics and repairs so coffee lovers, baristas, and technicians can understand what actually shapes extraction. When the grinder is right, everything else gets easier.